Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Nurfatun Amira Muhammad Yasri. So today I would like to present about my FYP proposal. My FYP title is Athlete Performance Analysis via IoT-based GPS system. My supervisor for this project is Dr. Zulkifli Mohammed. So the content of my project is include project background, problem statement, objective, literature review, scope of works, project methodology, expected result, and the project planning. So we will start with the project background. Basically, wearable technology consists of GPS system which is allow the athletes to navigate themselves. With the advancement of individual monitoring systems and technological advancement, athletes are increasingly using portable GPS-based monitoring equipment throughout the training and the games. The design of the technology is chosen to strike the balance between a cost, accuracy of the systems, and a certain consideration of the role. The next is for the problem statement. Athletes can better understand their own strength and limitation by gathering data over time and using the data-driven feedbacks to the next level. However, the previous design and development of the wearable technology for the sport application is quite complicated and high cost production. The wearable technology are very expensive to be used by the user, especially youth athlete in a sports sector who are needed to fulfill their performance demand. So the objective for this project is to design and develop a cost-effective and functional athlete performance analysis GPS system of the wearable technology. Second one is to integrate the developed system with software and hardware of the wearable technology. And the third one is to test the performance and functionality of the mechatronic design of the wearable technology. So for the expected result, for this project is a cost-effective athlete performance analysis system design for the wearable technology. The second one is an integrated mechatronic design of a wearable technology IoT-based GPS system. A cut-down functioning prototype with improved performance for youth athlete also. The next one is a scope of work in this project. So basically, it's to designing the size of the device, power consumption, cost needed, while acceptable accuracy provided on the device. And the second one is integrate the mechatronic design to prove the concept of a GPS system towards the wearable technology. And the last one is the system will be tested by the ability of the system to monitor training and performance demand within indoor environment. And the next one is a literature review. Basically, the literature review is consists of hardware and software that are used in the project. So first of all is IoT technology that delivers solution that integrated information technology with the communication technology. The second one is heart rate sensor. It's a phenomenon in which light is used to quantify the blood flow and is thus linked to the heartbeat. For example, Fitbit and other fitness tracker employ the photodiode to accomplish this. It can measure the light absorption by emitting the continuous green light onto the user's skin. The third one is accelerometer and the gyroscope sensor. By monitoring the gravitational acceleration and angular velocity, the gyroscope might significantly improve the sensor accuracy and better estimate which kind of action that the athlete is conducting. And for the software control system, one of the most cost-effective solution for this smart device is Arduino. Because of the basic and straightforward programming environment, this system is a good solution for prototyping the development. And the last one is the hardware used is Titigo T-Beam. This module controlled by ESP32 microcontroller board. ESP32 adds priceless functionality and versatility to the application. ESP32 can work as a standalone system or as a device to host MCU. lowering the communication stack overhead on the primary application CPU. And this is a reference, few of the reference I used to fulfill the project, especially on the literature review. And the next one is a project methodology. So basically, this project is contribute into two phase of method. So first of all is it start with identify the problem statement, and then identify the objective and scope of the works. The research in design planning, which is include the literature review, and then a system development, which is the component selection and algorithm development, and also input and output of the system. The next one is a system integration, and then followed by the system testing and analyze the result, and last one is a documentation. The important method used in this project is system development, system integration, and the system testing. So for the system development, the algorithm made by Arduino IDE open software uploaded into the ESP32 microcontroller command the component to analyze the data needed by the athlete, based which kind of the action they involve to. The algorithm measure the data based on the compute data. GPS receiver provide the exact position and speed of the receiver device. The program allowed for quantification of additional important impact metric associated with the sport activities. The sensor such as accelerometer and gyroscope developed into the program to determine the rotational acceleration and the angular velocity. The next one is system integration. System integration, which is the algorithm will indeed to be created to integrate the electronic and mechanical design in order to accomplish the wearable technology's intended purpose. The component listed down will be integrated to the design such as Arduino IDE, Wemos TT Go board, GPS sensor, heart rate sensor, accelerometer, and the gyroscope sensor. So for the system testing, the GPS system's ability to analyze training and performance demands will be used to evaluate the design's performance and functionality. The type of performance analyzed in this project are such as total distance covered, top speed, average speed, total sprinting distance, average acceleration, average deceleration, and heart rate, which is identify the athlete's work rate during the outdoor or indoor environment. If the success rate is not achieved, the design and the system must be reviewed in order to make an improvement. So for the design and dimensions, for the case designing process, the tangible software will be used to create the accurate dimension of the case. The software will provide the designing of the casing and able to print out the prototype of a casing using a 3D printer as well. So the dimension used for this device are 40 mm times 42 mm times 13 mm, which is the standard size of the smartwatch. So the stainless steel structure used in this case will increase the strength of the design to protect the mechatronic component inside the device. Stainless steel is a non-corrosive metal, so it manages to maintain the aesthetic value of the system and the hardware inside. The error for the system can be filtered by the combination of two sensors, which is accelerometer and gyroscope sensor. The GPS system added as a main component that able to navigate and analyze data in a massive way instead of commonly used in the outdoor. This function can also be used within the indoor environment. So, and last, the microcontroller used in this system is a low power processor and powered by the rechargeable battery. So the last one is project planning. Here I attach the Gantt chart for the project planning, which is include the literature review, system planning, component procurement, system programming, system integration, system testing, and the last one is thesis booking. So that's all from me. Thank you.